First stock is actually Capital A. I think if you look at the share price, basically has continued to trend higher. You might wonder whether it is too late to call, but I think if you look at yesterday momentum, it is still quite strong. In fact, when you look at the share price movement, it actually broke out the previous high, which is actually 105, i.e. my red line here, on high volume yesterday. So essentially, I think the momentum is still very strong for Capital A. Right now, I think the underlying is that I think when you look at the candles, they continue to stay on above the 30-day SMA, and this has been the case since September. And now that the previous high of 105 has been taken out, basically it shows that the bulls will continue to take control, and I think the uptrend will likely be extended. Even though I think the RSI is approaching overbought, but I think during an uptrend, sometimes the RSI can stay overbought for a prolonged period of time. Second stock is actually Top Glove. I think in fact, if you look at this stock, it's also another glove counter. Basically, Top Glove is still consolidating in a triangle pattern. Okay, so wonder if we are too early. Probably not so, because if you look at Top Glove, just like Capital A, share price has been holding well above the 30-day SMA, and it is now in the midst of testing the resistance trend line. Okay, obviously, I think share price could still consolidate after hitting the trend line, but given that the 30-day moving average has cut above the 50-day not too long ago in September, basically the odds now still favor the bulls. So I think eventually a breakout will actually kickstart a new up leg. Third stock is actually Corsan. I think unlike the Top Glove, Corsan has actually broke out from the resistance trend line. Okay, but I think a slight difference is that I think the 30-day SMA has just cut above the 200-day SMA. Okay, I think the 30-day has cut above the 50-day SMA earlier, but it was only the last few days where the 30-day SMA managed to push above the 50-day SMA. So essentially, I think the short-term momentum continues to be there. It continues to favor the bulls, and I think chances are share price will continue to edge higher. Okay. Again, I think RSI is slightly overbought, but if the trend is firm, it can stay overbought for a prolonged period of time. What do you think?